Welcome to Demo Video 3 of the Timinator. This video will introduce you to customizing the default demo equipment library. Begin by logging into your Timinator account. Choose the same sign-in method that you used at sign up, either your email address or your Google account, and log in to your Timinator dashboard. Touch the Equipment Library tab. We've supplied a variety of generic ideas for you to consider for your own restaurant setup. Use the equipment as is, or click to edit the equipment, and customize the default setup to your operation. For example, we will edit the char grill. Click the name field to edit the name of the equipment. Edit the number of timing zones by clicking the rows or the columns field. Quickly change the background color of each timing zone by clicking it, and creating a new background color. You have two options for adjusting the image on any piece of equipment. First, you may simply pick from the variety of photos and icons found in the Add Icon section. Click this option and you can scroll our equipment image library. When you have finished scrolling, click the back button. You may add a custom image by saving the image to the local picture gallery on your device. Then click the Add Custom Icon option, and find and save the image. You may use JPEG or PNG image files. Click Save to Library to save your changes and you will be returned to the equipment library, or click the back button to return to the equipment library page. Make any other customizations that you would like, or click the back button to return to the main dashboard. This concludes the instructions for editing the equipment list. Please continue to video 4, which instructs you on editing menu items.